Doge broke above a crucial resistance point, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on Doge, as of right now, we do have a very clean breakout formation, but there are a few things I want to talk about in this video. Number one is the fact that you can see that although we did see a breakout formation, this wasn't really a surprise to you guys because of the fact that in yesterday's video, I mentioned that you can see that the bearish volume was starting to die, as well as the fact that we were in extreme oversold conditions. Ideally, we were looking for a pullback opportunity and then the continuation to the downside. So the question is going to be, where exactly is that pullback going to go? As of right now, you can see that we do have quite a bit of resistance here at 0.079 along with this wick opportunity. If we do see that resistance opportunity and that continuation to the downside, we have to be very careful here about looking for a possible long position. Ideally, my long position confirmation would be the fact that once we see a possible retest on the 0.075. As of right now, we have only seen a one test confirmation, but a second and third test would mean the fact that Doge is ready to continue pushing higher. And I did quickly want to talk about something else other than this for the 4-hour perspective. You can see once we broke the support level here at 0.08, we actually didn't see a retest of this level. When you tend to break a major support level, we have a nice retest opportunity and then the continuation to the downside for that confirmation. But you can see we actually broke this level and retested the exponential moving averages and then had to move to the downside. This is why I mentioned the fact that Doge is in extreme oversold conditions, and ideally a nice pullback opportunity like this to 0.08, trap those buyers and then have that massive move to the downside would be a perfect opportunity for that shorting position. Right now on Doge, although we did have this retest confirmation, I mentioned the fact that you can see that we didn't quite see these three beautiful wicks. We actually saw multiple rejection candlesticks on this support level and then the continuation, which is an extremely bearish formation. The reason why these two levels were specific was because we saw buyer pressure pretty much come in immediately and that V-shaped formation, but as of right now, we're just not seeing that pattern complete over here. Of course, that would be invalidated if we did see a clean break above the 0.08 and then continue rising. Then we can say that yes, we do have a very clean V-shaped formation happening right now to be looking for that long position. Ideally, if we look at the hourly time frames, we do see something quite interesting. You can see that we did see multiple retests of this resistance level. So this was a beautiful confirmation to actually look for that long position, as well as the fact that you can see volume was dying on the hourly and we were trading above these exponential moving averages using them as support. Once we saw that second and third retest, this was a beautiful confirmation, but you can see that right now, even on the hourly, we are seeing multiple resistance candlesticks, right? We actually saw a wick going all the way up to our previous zone over here, retesting our previous support on the hourly as resistance. And as of right now, we are seeing the same sort of formation with this beautiful wick to the upside. Ideally, what we want to see is a clean break above this level, find it as support, and then a continuation. But otherwise, we are still looking for a bearish move set. If we look on the daily time frames for Doge, we were in that over extreme level as well. But you can see we finally saw that retest of this exponential moving average on the daily. This is very important for Doge because as you guys can see, even over here, we were in extreme oversold conditions and then we saw a pullback to that daily time frames and then the continuation. So as of right now, if we do see that pullback opportunity but a rejection on the daily time frames, then we can start focusing more on our major support level here at 0.05. I don't want you guys to get confused. I am still extremely bearish on Doge, but as of right now, we were just in extreme oversold conditions, which is why I was mentioning it might be a better idea to wait for that pullback opportunity and then enter the shorting position. For those of you that didn't listen and actually did enter the position earlier, you guys probably got stopped out or got liquidated because of the fact that we saw multiple bullish candlesticks come in, which wasn't a surprise. When you retest a major support level, as well as the fact that you're in extreme oversold conditions, it's never a good idea to be looking for that shorting position. Ideally, what you want to do at that point is wait for the pullback and then the continuation. The question would come, well, why wouldn't I look for a long position? Well, because of the fact that if Doge did continue having a free fall zone, you don't want to try to catch a falling knife. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.